What's up, guys? It's John Muscarello from Side Hustle Experience. If you're new to the channel, I'm a six-figure Amazon seller. I sell mainly books and media. And in today's video, I am going to get into one of the best things that I have done for my business this week and how you can do it too. If you're into reselling tips and advice or want to know how to sell on Amazon and eBay, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. I share tips all the time. Right now I'm uploading daily. So yeah, let's get into it. So on Monday, I kind of took a day to basically work on the business. I didn't really do any Amazon or eBay or post anything. But basically, I basically automated my bills. So I have a garbage bill. I have internet bill. I have bills for equipment, just little bills, and it's super annoying. So when you have a business or a warehouse, these companies are so fancy and they send you bills in the mail and you're supposed to write them a check. And that's what I was doing for the last 2 or 3 months. And now I took about an hour or two to set up accounts with them to have everything automatically debited from my bank account or put onto my credit card. This is super important in my advice. We have so much other stuff to do. You could be spending your time on so much other stuff. I mean, pretty much you know what your bills are anyway. So to have it auto debited, I don't see what the big deal is, but it's going to save me about an hour every month. When you have to write them a check, you got to put the account number on it. You got to put the invoice number. It's just super inconvenient. Then you got to put a stamp and mail it, and you got to remember to pay it. So now all of them are different days. So now it just auto debits whenever it happens to pay a bill, and it's great. It was really a pain because some of them you have to call up and get it set up, but now that's all set up, I don't have to worry about it. It's just gonna be auto debited. It's one less thing I have to worry about, and it's just much easier. The second thing is I would get yourself a bookkeeping software. I use GoDaddy Bookkeeping. I like it. I think it's $10 or $12 a month. I'm not even sure. But basically what it does is it basically scrapes all my bank accounts, credit card, Amazon, eBay. It basically puts everything into one place. So my sales, all my sales are there. All the fees that are taken out are reflected in that number. And it also has my bank. So I can see at a quick glance exactly how much money I have in the bank, how much money I'm making, how much profit I've made so far over the year. And it just makes it super easy at tax time. When I first started, I just had a credit card and a bank account, and it was separate from my personal, and everything reselling related either went into this bank account or was charged to a credit card. And every month I would sit down on my computer, go through the charges, say what they're from, put a category to it and tally it up. I mean, at any given month, it was kind of iffy. I just couldn't open my phone and be oh, this is how much profit I made so far this year. This is upcoming bills that I have. It was all over the place. So GoDaddy Bookkeeping basically puts all this in one place for you, and you can just see it, and it shows you upcoming bills. It's just really great. It saves me a ton of time too every month now. I can literally just export a month's worth of expenses. I can export a year, I can export a quarter. It makes it super, super convenient, during tax time. They also estimate what your monthly tax payments would be. So I would highly recommend getting a bookkeeping software similar to this that works with Amazon or whatever e-commerce platform you sell on. I think there's another one called the Waze app. I think that one might be free. I'm not sure, but I use GoDaddy Bookkeeping. I love it. I've been using it for 2 or 3 years. So yeah, that's basically kind of what I wanted to talk to you guys today. This is a really simple thing that you could do. It is upfront work. It's going to take you a couple hours, maybe not a couple hours, But like, you know, an hour or two to set up GoDaddy bookkeeping. But once it's set up, once it's up and going, you don't have to worry about it. You could just log in. They have a nice app on your phone you can look at. And it's just been like super helpful for me, you know, at a click glance. Like, you need to know your numbers, especially when it comes to reselling. A lot of people, I feel like, don't really talk about this because it's hard to track the numbers. Sometimes there's really not a great all-in-one piece of software that really pulls everything together for you from different platforms. And, you know, if you sell on Amazon or another platform and eBay, like, it's really hard. I don't really know of any software. I mean, GoDaddy Bookkeeping does it, but it's not like super clean either. But yeah, it's really important to know your numbers, how much money you have in the bank. It makes your buying decisions much easier, especially to know how much you're gonna owe on an upcoming credit card. Like, it's just so important to have all this stuff. I mean, or like, you'd have to click into every credit card account, log into your bank account. Like, just to have it all in one place is super helpful. It's gonna save you more time. You're gonna have a better business for it. So I'd highly recommend you guys take the time, set it up. Just know it's a one-time thing that you have to do, and then you're good forever, basically. And that's always good. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let me know in the comments, are you using bookkeeping software? How do you track your expenses? Super interested to know. And I will talk to you guys soon.